How have these things gone viral? This is hideous. It was sent to me. I did not purchase this. Even if you don't wear a lot of makeup, you need this video. Why do we prep our skin before makeup? It's gonna last longer. It's not gonna patch up on you. It's got a nice clean base to lie on. There's so many reasons. I could go on and on, but let's just get into the video. Good morning. Let's do this. No intro needed. So as you can tell, I have just gotten up. You know, I've had my coffee, everything, but I haven't touched my skin. Obviously, we're looking, in my opinion, a little dull. We've got some tired eyes here that we need to fix. And this is exactly what I do every morning before I put on any form of makeup, whether that's everyday makeup or I'm doing something a little special that day. This is what I do. So let's go in with a cleanser. I've said this so many times. Wash your face. You've got to start with a clean base. So I have just recently discovered this. This is from One Love Organics. I picked this up at Ulta, and it is the Botanical Enzyme Cleansing Oil. And let me tell you, when I say something melts off your skin, this does the trick, okay? I love the packaging. I love the easy pump. This stuff is amazing, and if you're just using it to remove makeup, you don't need to rinse, you don't need water. Just take a cotton swab and do what you do. But today, we're gonna use it as the first step of my double cleanse. I am guilty of double cleansing. I love double cleansing. Everything will be linked below, from the products to the cleanser pad that I use. I typically go in with 2 pumps, warm it up in my hands. It smells delightful. And I just go in. This is also great if you have lash extensions, whether you get them done or you do them at home, because you can just use your fingertips and you can kind of direct where you're going as opposed to splashing your face with soap and water. Everything is just melting off. The impurities of the night, the drool, you know, all that stuff. Gotta go. This literally takes less than a minute. I really just make sure I get a good lather of this enzyme oil on my face. Kind of give myself a little morning massage. Then I turn on the water, which I know that's annoying, so I won't do that now, but I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Then I turn on my hot water. I definitely like some steam. And I go in with my Tatcha. This is the deep cleanse. I got the mega size. I really think it's worth the money. And this is a little scrubber that I picked up from TJ Maxx. Comes in a pack of 2 and so inexpensive. Scrubs tough enough to get your dirt, to get the impurities, and it's bendy so it can go in the nooks and crannies, and it's gentle enough to where it's not ripping your skin. We love that. Just gave my face a good rinse. I'm gonna take a clean towel, obviously, and pat dry. Do not rub, because I know that's quick and convenient, but it's just going to speed up the aging process, and I don't think you want that. You can already see a difference in our skin. Let's keep it moving. We're gonna work from the thinnest to the thickest of products. First, I'm gonna go in with a toner. This is, I've said before in a video, this is a debatable thing whether you believe in toner or not. I am an avid believer. I'm gonna go in with the Fresh Deep Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. It has actual rose petals in it, and I think that's really cute. That's really cool looking. You have 45 seconds to a minute before your pores shrink back up into the teeny tiny little holes that they are. So once you dry off your face from that hot water, go right into putting on the rest of your skincare, so that way you can really get the benefits of everything while those pores are nice and open. I'm gonna press my toner in today. Toner is going to be good for evening your skin tone. And if you're using a cotton round or a cotton pad, it's also going to get all the little impurities that you missed possibly during your step 1 facial cleansing. Now that I've got my toner on, the next thing I do is a facial oil. This has been my everyday product. The Supergoop Daily Dose Hydroceramide Boost. I'm running really low on it. and that makes me sad. I need to go get some more, but this I love. Today we're gonna go in with the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley. I love it. Even if you have oily skin, I think you should really consider going in and trying a facial oil. A little bit will do ya. It's just got the nutrients that we need. And while I'm doing that, I like to, you know, give myself a little gua sha massage with my hands. Just right under the cheekbones and right under the jaw. That facial oil is going to give us a nice healthy looking glow, a healthy looking shine, as well as hydration, you know, the vitamin C. And this one has an SPF in it, so this is great for the daily use, and it's a little less expensive than this one. This one's $30 something, and this one I can't even remember. I just know it's Sunday Riley, so it's expensive. But it's a beautiful product. It works great. Next, of course, I'm gonna hit up my eye area. You can see, oof, I'm so sorry about my appearance. I look so tired. This is the Wishful Beauty Eye Lift and Contour. I put this on before foundation on the daily because of the ease of use, honestly. If you're easy for me to just pick up and put on, I'm more than likely gonna use that on the everyday. So I just pump it and some product comes out. It's got the Zamac tip on it, which has that cooling effect. Not to mention the product on the Zamac tip gives it such an easy glide effect, so there's no pulling and tugging of the under eyes, which is the most fragile area of skin on the body. So we must be careful. And the eyes, that's gonna be the #1 first thing people see, and it's gonna determine whether you look old or not. Another pump for the other eye. I just like to give that a second to soak in. So while that's soaking in, I'm gonna go in with a lip oil just to prep the lips before everything, whether I'm putting on lipstick or not. I do always use this lip oil just because it feels nice. It's hydrating, nice and glossy, so and you can wear it throughout the day, and it's got a nice shine. Nice lip oil, very cute. Next, I go in with the serum. This is the 15% vitamin C clean caffeine energy serum. This I use every single day from Youth to the People. This is like my 3rd bottle of this, and it is a serum, but it is on the thicker side. You can see how slow that's kind of going down. So I use that next to last. And now I'm definitely patting buffing product in, if you will, just because I've already placed product, so I don't want to move everything around. And don't forget your neck and deck, okay? Very important. Another thing that people can definitely spot your age, or you know, your age range from that neck and deck. Décolletage. Our skin is looking so much better. The difference between before and now, like, oof, just when you show your skin a little love. Last but not least, I go in with a moisturizer, obviously because it's the thickest product that we use in the routine. I go between the two. CEO Afterglow by Sunday Riley, which is a vitamin C gel cream. Looks like this. This rubs in like butter. I kid you not, it is so soft on your skin. And then the next one, we all know this one, Miss Charlotte Tilbury. This is her magic cream, and it's thicker than the vitamin C CEO Afterglow. But this really, it is a moisturizer, and it really is magic. I don't know what she's done to it. I'm not even gonna ask her. I just know that this works. I put this on at night, and then I wake up and I'm like, wow, my skin looks really good. And I figured out it's because of this. Yep, yes ma'am. So today we're gonna go in with this one just because it's already open. I just go between the two. I don't really have a specific rhyme or reason why I use one over the other. Use about that much, and that's for face, neck, and deck. Rub it in the little hands there and lightly kind of press all over. Always going up. Now you can go make your coffee, go brush your teeth, do what you gotta do, whatever. Let this soak in. And I don't mean make your morning routine crazy long now, but let it soak in. Give it a good 5 minutes. I promise you, please try it. Your skin will drink it. You're not gonna be adding on and like It's not gonna cake up. Just do exactly as I say. I promise you. Skin prep before makeup is crucial for that flawless airbrush look. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.